welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Monica. I make skincare, haircare, hairstyle and makeup related video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any new updates. In today's video, I'm going to share 2 weeks hair growth challenge result. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll give the video here. You can go and watch it. So the 2 weeks challenge is, so we have to follow inversion method, 3 minutes a day, every day for 2 weeks, and twice in a week we'll do hot oil massage. So I have used Bringraj oil. You can use any oil of your wish. So this is our 2 weeks challenge. So today I'll be measuring my hair length to see the result. Actually it's been like 20 days. Due to some technical issues I was not able to update after 2 weeks. So now it's like 20 days when I started the challenge, and I did follow it for 2 weeks only. Then I didn't do the inversion method and I started oiling my hair only once a week because it's summer and I couldn't bear I couldn't wash my hair like weekly twice. So I started to follow my regular routine like weekly once only. Now I'm oiling my hair. So now let's see the result. So the hair length ends at 35 inches and 89 centimeter. So it's about 35. Last time when we measured it was like 32.5 and now it's 35. So my hair has grown about 2.5 inches. I expected like 5 inch of hair growth, at least 4 inch, but my hair has grown about like 2.5 inch. I think it's a good result because usually my hair like grows about 1 inch in a month, but now it's like 2.5 inch. I think my hair has grown like 4 times faster because of this inversion method and hot oiling massaging. So this technique has definitely helped, but not the result which I expected. Like I expected like 4 to 5 inch. It wasn't that extreme hair growth, but 2.5 inch is a good length. So I think definitely it has worked, and as you can see my hair length also, and I can visibly see that the hair length has increased. I would definitely recommend this inversion method, but there are few drawbacks. Like I couldn't do it like after 3 days. I felt little giddiness and headache. I couldn't continue, but I still tried to do it for at least 3 minutes. But if I was uncomfortable, I just stop it then and there. So inversion method is not for everyone, especially if you are anemic or you have low PP and you have sinus and migraine issue. Sudden rush of blood to your head can cause headache and migraine. So definitely not for everyone, but I would recommend the hot oil massage, but make sure that you don't apply very hot. Apply the oil a little warm only and do the massage. So this inversion method you can do at least weekly twice or thrice, not more than that. You can do that in case if you want to grow your hair faster and you want to grow your hair long. So try to do inversion method in 2 to 3 times a week, and that would help you. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful to you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any new updates. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.